The new Huawei MateBook 14 is the latest in the MateBook lineup and the only laptop with a 2K display in its price segment, and also offers plenty of performance to boost your mobile productivity. From an eye-catching display to powerful performance and battery life, the Huawei MateBook 14 is a robust laptop as your next powerful and sharp work partner. The MateBook's signature full-view 2K display on the new Huawei MateBook 14 comes with ultra-slim bezels that are as thin as 4.9mm, allowing the display to offer an immersive screen-to-body ratio of 90%. It also has a resolution of 2160 by 1440 pixels and superb pixel density at 185 ppi for showing off even the most minute details. There's also support for 100% sRGB color gamut, 1500:1 contrast ratio, and a peak brightness of 300 nits. The 3:2 aspect ratio allows you to view more than the traditional 16:9 from other branded laptops, which gives you more vertical space for productivity apps such as word processors, helping to keep what matters front and center while you work. In view of how long the typical user spends in front of a display, Huawei has equipped the MateBook 14 with two TUV certified low blue light eye protection features. First, the Eye Comfort mode minimizes blue light emissions, which is part of the laptop's hardware, ensuring its efficacy across any application. The MateBook 14 also leverages DC dimming to eliminate any perceptible screen flickers that can put a strain on your eyes. Weighing just 1.49 kg and measuring 15.9mm at its thickest part, the MateBook 14 packs a tremendous amount of power in a slim and lightweight body. Powered by a 11th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, along with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage, the Huawei MateBook 14 has no problem keeping up with any number of tasks and programs, no matter what you're running on it. A new thermal architecture featuring two Huawei shark fin fans and two heat pipes keeps the MateBook 14 cool even when under load. This delivers up to 50% better heat dissipation while keeping the sound prominence ratio as low as 5 decibels. Apart from laptops, some users may shift their work around other devices, such as replying to emails from their smartphone or taking notes using a tablet. The Huawei MateBook 14 falls under the range of super device products Huawei recently launched and can connect to compatible tablets like the Huawei MatePad Pro or smartphones like the Nova 8. When connected, users can easily run multiple mobile apps on their PC as if they were native applications and can easily switch between devices or drag and drop files between them. The MateBook 14 also includes PC Manager to easily share the internet connection of a connected Huawei smartphone, as well as manage media files, share clipboards, and much more. Notebook battery life has always been a concern for any laptop users. To help with this, the Huawei MateBook 14 comes with a high-capacity 56Wh battery and features Huawei's intelligent power-saving technology. You can enjoy up to 11 hours of continuous local 1080p video playback on a single charge. In addition, a 15-minute quick charging session with the bundled 65W supercharged power adapter gives you up to 2.5 hours of battery life for everyday office tasks. You can even use the same power adapter to charge other compatible Huawei smartphones and devices. The Huawei MateBook 14 will be available with prices starting from 3,699 dirhams, but you can avail of a special early bird pre-order offer of 3,399 dirhams. Pre-orders begin on Huawei's official website and across select retailers in the UAE from September 30th and include gifts worth 739 dirhams such as the Huawei FreeBuds Pro and free door-to-door delivery. Launched alongside the Huawei MateBook 14, there are also pre-orders for the new Huawei MateBook 13 with prices starting from 3,499 dirhams.